Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Altec Lansing Mini H2O 3 Bluetooth speaker. I actually bought this one at Ross for $12.99. Now so far I really like this speaker. It's waterproof, snowproof, and dirtproof. The sound is great, especially for the size of the speaker. I will show you a sound test here soon. There is the power button, volume up and down button, and a micro USB port to charge your speaker. It includes a keychain to attach your speaker and the charging cable. I really like that you can answer or reject incoming phone calls from the speaker. You can also activate Siri or Google Assistants. So I will have the link in the description if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have an amazing day, everyone.